Hello everyone, a very warm welcome to another exciting episode of the Goan Appetit.
We are having the heritage drink of Goa.
Clube Vasco Da Gama is our first stop tonight.
But the best way to explore a place is through its food.
A lot of people who come to Goa have this complaint that, Goa doesn't have a lot of veg options. We have with us Amreen from Make It Happen, who's going to tell us a little bit about what tonight has in store for us.
We start the tour over here because on this side we have got the planned part of the city of Panjim. So behind the church we have got the Latin quarters of Panjim, which is also the oldest part in the city of Panjim and the oldest settlement.
Okay.
And on this side of the church we have got the Alpine Hill, where all the aristocratic and the noble people came and they settled here. So this particular church is right at the center of the city of Panjim. This is literally the heart of the city of Panjim.
And I'm definitely looking forward to the trail along with you, Amreen, with Make It Happen. We are all set to go to our first location.
Yeah, sure.
Yes?
Let's go. Okay. So this is the first place that we are going to enter.
Okay.
This is Clube Vasco Da Gama. This is the first ever club that came in the city of Panjim.
Wow.
And named after Don Vasco Da Gama because he discovered the sea route to India. Named São Gabriel,
Okay.
and that is the same ship that you see here.
Wow. We are at location number 1. Tell us what we have now.
So we are having the heritage drink of Goa,
Okay.
and that is feni. Since this tour is called Feni and Tapas.
Yes.
And in Goa we have two types of feni.
Okay.
The traditional coconut feni and the cashew feni. And we are starting the tour with cashew feni.
Cashew feni, of course.
Yeah.
Yeah? Okay. Cheers. Great. Oh wow. Strong hit. Yeah. Feni. Nice. Cashew feni, right?
Yes. This is the delicious veg formias.
For me, yes.
Yeah.
Okay.
And here are perfectly shallow fried veg cutlets.
Okay.
And here are scrumptious Goan rissoles, prawn rissoles.
From the source. Alright. Sounds excellent. Let's dig in and let's eat. Yes. Stick with this. Okay.
All the party starters.
This is the party starter. Very nice. Great. So, a lot of people who come to Goa have this complaint that, Goa doesn't have a lot of veg options. But this is all veg, right? Absolutely, completely veg. So you've got a bunch of vegetables along with some mayo, and it's really crispy, it's nice. I think if someone comes to Goa and if you want to have some snacks, I think if you're looking for vegetarian snacks, this is the perfect start that you can have, the perfect starter, the Goan starter that you could have.
Absolutely. In fact, all of our Goan parties, birthdays, weddings, get-togethers, it's incomplete without formias.
Absolutely. The perfect way to eat the rissoles with your hands and fingers. Make sure enjoy every bite.